Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, so this is the line of sight flight demo of Eachine M80. Let's see how it goes, how it performs, and I will also try to demo the turtle rollback feature. That means if the quad flips upside down due to a crash, you don't have to walk there, you can flip it back and start flying. So, here we go. This is the altitude hold mode. This is for babies because quadcopter will hold the altitude. It has a barometer and it's like almost hands-free. You can see it holds the altitude. Makes it super easy to fly for beginners. But if you want to enjoy and have fun with flying, you might want to switch to the normal mode or acro mode. So this is the normal mode. You can go as fast as you want. It has plenty of angle for you and plenty of speed. It's auto leveling mode, so as soon as you make a mistake, just leave the sticks and quadcopter will go back to its level flight. Easy to control and super easy to fly the obstacle courses and, you know, FPV whoop around your house. And here's the acro mode, so you can see it actually holds its axis and you can fly it faster. Maybe you can also do the flips. Let me try to do the flip without breaking something. So I don't have the propeller, so here we go. So now it's upside down. I disarmed the motors. Now I'm gonna arm the motors, and it just flips back. One of the motor came out from its mount. Well, I just need to push it back in. So let's try it again. Let me push all the motors in. Let's try it again. I'll put it upside down and flip the arm switch one more time. And there you go. Now you can start flying normally. So this is a great mode. This is something I really love it. Previously, with other whoops, whenever I'm flying and crashing, if it goes upside down, I have to ask Arish and Hadi to go around and pick up the quad, but it's not the case now anymore. I can actually just flip it back if I have crashed it. Let me try to do more aerobatics. Hold on. Why? I mean, I have to learn to do aerobatics on this. And I did it. It's a bit difficult to control when you are doing aerobatics, but hey, with practice, you can actually get used to it. So the LED on the back side also shows you the level of your battery, and once it's blinking, I believe in red, that means you're running out of battery. But hey, you cannot see it when you're flying FPV on this one. Man, what a superb machine. Uh-oh, we are upside down. I don't worry about that anymore. Here you go. Man, it is simply superb to have this feature in this little FPV whoop. Awesome. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, Also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.